What's up, y'all? I want to make this little video about this new engine I got off of eBay. It's actually a used engine, an old used engine. It's a RB. It's a WS7 8th scale off-road engine. It's the S7 Worlds. It's a 8-port design. It's got a Nova Rossi carburetor. Some kind of burned up old spark plug there, glow plug. I wanted to show you this. Let's turn the light on. Somebody put epoxy in there. Try and smooth out the airflow as it went in. But I think what ended up happening is it ended up causing more damage than anything else. And you can see how the air goes in, through here, and then down through there, and then out the back. Right there. So anyway, I gotta take that shit out before I rebuild it. Everything else looks alright. There's some scarring on the back of this thing here, where it looks like the something was going on back here. This thing's got some scarring on it too. Camera don't like to focus very well. You can see that's pretty chewed up. You see that little oil hole down in there too. Yeah, let's go look at this, the back plate. You can see there on the back plate, it's got some scarring on the back of that as well. Maybe it was turned in too much or something. I don't know what happened. Just trying to see if I could see any scoring on the crank itself. I don't know. But it was missing one of these screws for the head. So that definitely sucks. I already cleaned it up a little bit. That's why it's all clean. It was real dirty initially when I got it. So anyway, that's what I gotta figure out. If you guys know where I can get some more of these screws, some kind of oddball size. It's not metric. It must be standard or something. I'm gonna have to have the sleeve repinched. I'm gonna send that off to Adam Drake, and maybe I'll have him put in some new bearings for me too, some ceramic bearings. I think they told me some bunch of bullshit. They said it was ceramic bearings in here, but I don't know. They're pretty cheap on eBay anyway, so maybe I'll just get the engine freshened up. It's only $25 to get this freshened up with the new pinch on the sleeve, and it's like $40 or something to put in some new bearings. Anyway, so if you guys know where I can get one of these screws or whatever, what kind of thread pitch and size this shit is, that'd be a good help. Anyway, take it easy, man. Later.